Hey, it's XNYC Prepper here, and it's March 14th, and we have this nor'eastern snowstorm up here in New York State. I'm up in my property, Orange County, New York, and it's snowing like hell. I gotta go down there where my ducks and chickens are and feed them. But I got a lot of snow plowing to do. Yep, it's a winter wonderland up here. Snow sticking all the way up on the trees. That's my gym there, buried underneath the snow. Anyway, this is part of living in upstate New York. It will be spring soon, and this will all be gone. But right now, it's a winter wonderland in Orange County, New York. Have a great day, people.